Hey you guys, what's up? So today's video is really very scary. Let me get serious. Seriously, I'm very serious. It's a very scary video because I'm gonna do wax. Yes, I'm gonna do wax in front of you guys. But the good news is that this wax is not the normal wax you see in the salon. So do you guys want to see what is this wax I'm talking about? So if you're following me on Instagram, and if you're not following me on Instagram, you should do that. So yeah, if you're following me on Instagram, I've posted a photograph showing you what I got from a lady who is selling this wax. So not talking much, let me make you see the wax. So sorry. So this is a hard wax beans, and the ingredient is paraffin wax, rosin, Vaseline, mineral oil, vegetable oil, fragrance, perfume. So yeah, this is so damn pretty. I mean, I don't feel it is to be a wax, I feel to eat it. And this is so beautiful. You get in so many colors, like they are yellow, black, coffee, chocolate. I mean, these are the colors, I guess. So I purchased red color, which is like my favorite color. And oh my god, I really want to eat it. It is so beautiful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do wax with this thing. And what I've heard and what I've researched is it's not at all painful when you do it, and you don't need any kind of strip. Yeah, so you need a waxing heater, you need spatula, and of course wax. So shuru kare. Alright, the wax is ready and I'm very scared. I'm gonna do it live because some of you and even my good friends, they said that they want to see the demonstration. Really? Don't worry, I'll come to your place, and you know whom I'm talking to, right? I'll come to your place and I'll do it in front of you, and I'll do it on you, in fact. So yeah, I have unfortunately hairs on my hands, so I'm gonna do it on my hand. Yeah. So it is all, so I don't have a spatula because I'm not a regular, I don't do it at home. So I'm using this butter knife. It's freaking warm. I'm very scared. So you don't need a strip in that, okay? Fuck. Okay. And if you try this, if you use this, use a wooden spatula. All right. So it is, I can feel it's very hard. I don't know how to do it. Ow. Yeah, it is happening. Okay. Ow. But though it is not that painful, trust me. I mean, अभी तक तो मैंने बहुत चिल्लाया होता if it had been a painful job. It's happening. I hope it is, if it is visible, like you can see these are the hairs it's pulling out. So that's such a quick thing, guys. I mean, I would really recommend you to buy this because up har bar, it's not possible to go to salon, and that's a good thing. I mean, it's not at all hurting. Yeah, I like it. So now let's talk about the price. It costs you 800 rupees, and I'll link where you could buy this product in the description box. So don't forget, I got it from a lady who is selling it through Facebook, and this is 400 grams. So it does not harm you guys. It will not at all harm you, and you know that I won't recommend you anything which is not good. So if you want to purchase this, you can get a discount of 15%, and you can apply my coupon code, which is Hereby Wines. I will link in description box, and do tell me guys if you purchase it. That's a good option, when you if you are scared of a wax like me, and you are a very lazy person to go to salon. So this is a good pick. I mean, yes. So I'll see you super soon, and do purchase it.
I'm falling and I can't turn back.